What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another amazing special Cool Tech episode. You read the title. All new Spider-Man movie is out and this episode is themed to go with the fever. If you already watched the movie, let me know in the comments how was it. And if you love Spider-Man, don't forget to smash the like button. Alright. First product on my list is something cute and punchy. Bam! Check out Marvel Spidey Blast Box from Reconnect. This is a cute Bluetooth 5 Spider-Man themed 2-watt speaker, and oh boy, it looks so cute. Portable enough to carry in your pocket and definitely a punchy one to amplify your smartphone audio. Build is overall very good. Front, you have the speaker grill with our Spidey face. Top, power and volume controls, which is also the next and previous control. One side, you have a slot to charge the speaker. Cable is in the box. Single charge can get you about 3 hours of playback. And not only that, it also has a micro SD card slot to play songs directly from it. Alright, coming to the audio, it is loud enough, given its size, with enough thump. Here is a sample.
It's a Sunday, it's Sunday, it's Sunday, take Sunday, from everything fun and crazy, anything cool.
Overall, a cute Spider-Man themed speaker that I grabbed for around ₹7.99 from the nearest Reliance Digital store. If you guys want to grab one, we'll leave the online link to their site in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something powerful yet handy. Boomba! Check out the stunning Spider-Man power bank. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank. Looks awesome, isn't it? You have the Spider-Man chest design with a red and blue color theme. Front, you have 4 battery level LED indicators with a power on-off button in the side. To the top, you have dual USB ports to charge 2 devices with max output of 5V 2A, which is standard for most smartphones and other gadgets these days. With that, you also have a Type-C port and a micro USB port, so you can charge the power bank using either cable. This is a handy feature because you don't have to carry multiple cables, one for your smartphone, one for your power bank. You can charge your smartphone and this using a single cable. Overall build is very good and will definitely be a cool made in India power bank to own for all those Spidey fans out there. You also get a velvet carry pouch and a micro USB charging cable in the box. I bought this for around ₹8.99 and sure is a good one. Want to grab it? We'll leave the online link to their site in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something interesting. Check out the Spidey Play Slate. This is a Spider-Man themed simple LCD writing pad that can be used instead of paper. This is quite interesting guys. The screen size is 8.5 inches and it's ultra thin and super light in weight. You also have a stylus at the bottom that helps you to write, draw, whatever. Wow, cool, right? The best part is it's pressure sensitive. To the top, you have a delete button to wipe the pad clean when you want to start over. Bam! Right? Clean. Right? Clean. Amazing. It is powered by a coin battery which can last max 2 years or say 50,000 erases. Helps you to stop wasting paper when you want to take quick notes or explain stuff by just writing, drawing, whatever. Or to-do list or message board at home. Kids to draw and grow their creativity or communicate with special children or elders with hearing problem. Possibilities are endless. In the pack, you also get magnets that you can attach to the back and hang this pad on any metal surface. Definitely a cool product for around ₹5.99, useful in many different ways. I love it. Want to grab it? We'll leave the link to the site in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is a multi-use one. Check out the Marvel Spidey Pop Stand, a cool smartphone accessory that will help you in a couple of ways. First, the build is super cool. You have the Spidey face. Back, it has a 3M strong tape that you can peel and attach to your smartphone. And bam! Now you have a cool Spider-Man themed smartphone grip when you need one. Or just place it on a flat surface and bam! It is a mobile stand. Cool, right?
Wow!
But wait, I have more. In the pack you also get a car dock that also comes with a 3M tape which you can attach to your car dashboard. And when you drive, easily dock your phone in it. A cool and compact Spider-Man themed pop stand that you will love to own.
Hell yeah! Compact King is back! Exclusive Tekshan comparison time!
Well, if I have to say, the size of the pop stand is approximately in the size of one Britannia Jim Jam biscuit. Yummy! Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive Tekshan comparison. For around ₹250, definitely a worthy Spidey themed accessory for your smartphone. Want to grab it? We'll leave the link to the site in the description, check it out. Alright, next I have 2 cool stuff that you would love to have on your desk. Starting off with this cool funky Spider-Man figurine. Wow, it looks cute. You can place it on your desk, inside your PC cabinet, and a lot of other places, and it'll sure be a cool decor item if you're a Spider-Man fan. It is a 15cm tall figurine in a cool pose. I love it. Next, I have something even more exciting. Check out this metallic Iron Spidey figurine. Looks kick-ass, right? He has his tentacles. Apart from looking cool, let me show you something interesting. There is a switch at the back of the head, and bam! What? His eyes glow. Wow! Now this too, you can just place it on your desk, or the legs have magnet, so you can use it to hang him on any metal surface like fridge, almirah, etc. Awesome! For rupees 499 and 899, cool figurines to own. Wanna grab it? We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. Alrighty, time for the special product of this video, and this time something stylish. Bam! Check out the cool Spidey t-shirt. This red t-shirt has a simple white Spidey logo in the center, and it definitely looks stylish, and I love it. A cool one to wear if you're a Spider-Man fan. Want to grab it? We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. So, that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then,